Hi, Dan of dansdomain.ca here. Okay, so we're working with ProcessWire. We have the classic site theme. Things are going pretty well. However, the text formatter module that ProcessWire uses to process your input into your pages is a little limited. Like, it doesn't allow emojis, for example. When you try and paste an emoji into it, it strips it out as a bad character. So what we have to do is install a module that allows us to put emojis into the code anyway. Okay, so I'm talking about the standard emojis you can use in most things, like in a in a chat program. Emojis these days are very standard, and they can be copied and pasted just like any other text. They're not just pictures anymore. So it's worth getting them working just in case you do need them. And they look pretty interesting too. Okay, so go to your browser. I want you to surf to dansdomain.ca, go to the web section, go to the ProcessWire section, and then click on install module for showing emojis. And at the top of the page is a link that says navigate this page and click the download button. So click there, and it says text formatter emoji by Ryan Kramer. So in the top right corner, I want you to click on download. Okay, so we've got our emoji zip file. So go to cPanel File Manager, click on your subdomain, click on Site, go into Modules, and then click the Upload button. Select your file from the Downloads folder, text formatter emoji-main.zip. Okay, that's fast, and then right-click on the text formatter emoji main.zip and choose Extract. Leave the directory the same, close it, delete the zip file, just to be clean. Go into text formatter emoji main. Okay, we got a module.php here, it looks good. So let's go into our ProcessWire admin, click on modules, click refresh in the top right corner, and it says found new module text formatter emoji, so we have to install it. So just scroll down the page till you see the text formatter section. It's at the bottom. And it says smiley face emoji at the top there. So just click on install. And then click on submit. Okay, so it says emoji name wrap with colons, for example, smile into colons converts to a smiley face. We'll just leave it that way. On my side, I use it the other way. It says emoji colon smile. Whatever you like. It doesn't really matter. Just know that whenever you use a standard emoji code, it won't work. You have to use these codes instead. So smile between two colons will bring out a smile. Let's test that out. So click on submit, and then go to pages. Let's spice up our cats page. Edit. Okay, so you can put a smile there. But what about other emojis? What about the rest of them? Well, if you go back to the web page I brought you to, at the bottom there's a link that says to see a list of all the emojis, click here. So I might as well click there. And okay. There's an apple and an ant. So we'll add those. Apple and ant. So I don't want to waste your time. Alright. Save it. And then reload the page on your website. So we'll go to cat section. And it doesn't work. Oh, right. Of course. The reason it doesn't work, gotta go to setup, fields, body, click on the details tab, click the little drop down and choose emoji. Then click save. Now refresh the page with cats. Ta-da! Here's some text with a smiley face, blah 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 cats with an apple after it, and so on with an ant after it. And there you have it, emojis on ProcessWire. Have a great day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!